Today's video, we're going to take a look at the Dometic RM2191 and 2193 three-way refrigerators. These are the ones that run on propane, 12 volt and 120 volt. I've had a lot of people ask me about how the operation of these work, so today I'm going to take you outside and show you on the control panel how to use it. Okay, so now that we're outside and we're looking at the control panel, the first thing we want to do is we want to do the electric. So the knob up here has numbers on it. I don't know if you can see it or not. Number 5 is the best place to set this to start off. Now once you have this set on 5, now you can either select the 120 volt or you can select the 12 volt. I want to caution you, do not turn both of these on at the same time. Only use one at a time. So if you're going to run off a 12 volt or your tow vehicle, you'll turn the 12 volt on. And then you'll be running on 12 volt. And then if you want to change it over to 120 volt, you turn the 12 volt off, turn the 120 volt on. This knob controls the temperature for both 120 volt and 12 volt operation. Always make sure that when you're done and you're not going to use the refrigerator, shut the switch off, go inside, and prop the door open on the refrigerator. Okay, so the next thing we want to look at is the LP gas and how do we actually use it. Well, the first thing when you use the LP gas, it's a good idea. You've got to use this window to look for the pilot light, and it's kind of hard to see. I prop mine open when I get ready to light it. Sometimes I can hear it when it lights. So to light this, what we want to do is we want to turn the knob to the high position. Now we're going to push the knob down and we're going to hold it. We're going to strike the lighter about 6 times. Now you want to keep this button pushed down that you get your thumb on. You want to hold that down for 15 to 20 seconds after you have pushed the lighter to give the flame time to heat up the system so that it will stay on. Now once that time has passed, you can let off the button and it should stay lit. Now I don't know if you can hear, but I can hear mine is burning. So let's take a look and see if we can actually see the flame burning. Okay, now that we're on the gas, if we want to shut the gas off, we simply just turn the knob to off, and that shuts the gas off. Now, one of the valuable things that you need to have in your refrigerator is the thermometer. That will help you determine if you need to turn your adjustments up or down and what the state of the inside of your refrigerator is when the door's closed. Another hint is when you are done using your refrigerator, you can use the little clip and that will block the door open. When you shut your refrigerator off and you're not going to use it for a while, always leave the door open so that it does not promote the growth of mold inside. Now the other thing is anytime you use any of the 3 power sources, especially the propane, you're not sure if it's lit, you've got your window closed, what you can do is after it runs for about half hour, you come out And this part of the pipe right here is going to be pretty warm if it's lit. If it's cool to the touch, chances are the refrigerator is not lit. Okay, I hope that helps you out with your refrigerator and gives you some ideas on how it operates. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.